Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome to Academia Coaches. The topic of my tutor lecture is adrenal gland hormones synthesis. In my tutor lecture, I will discuss about how the hormones of adrenal glands are synthesized. And primarily, I will focus about adrenal cortex hormone synthesis. All human steroid hormones, which are synthesized by human body or by adrenal cortex, the common precursor of steroid hormone is cholesterol. Precursor for steroid hormone synthesis. Now the question arises, what is the source of cholesterol and how the cholesterol is provided for hormone synthesis? 80% of cholesterol is provided by low density lipoproteins. Low density lipoproteins. These proteins are present in the circulating plasma. Low density lipoproteins with high level of cholesterol are transported from the circulating plasma into intestinal fluid and they attach to the specific receptor which are present on cortical cell membrane. The receptors which are present on cortical cell membrane, with these receptors the low density lipoprotein attaches. The receptors of cortical cell membrane have specialized coated structures which are known as coated bits. After the attachment of low density lipoproteins with the receptors, the coated bits are internalized by the process of endocytosis and forms coated vesicles. The structure is known as coated vesicles. The coated vesicles fuse with the endosomes. The process of fusion of endosome and coated vesicle is known as endocytosis. After the process of endocytosis, the coated bits are fused with lysosomes. The hydrolytic enzymes which are present in lysosomes causes the coated bits to release free cholesterol. Free cholesterol. After releasing the free cholesterol, the coated bit receptors are transported back into the plasma. Receptors. This is the process by which the free cholesterol is released into the adrenal cortex. Once the cholesterol is entered into the cell, it is delivered to mitochondria. Cholesterol is delivered to mitochondria, where it is cleaved by enzymes. In the wall of adrenal cortex or adrenal gland, with each layer of adrenal gland, different enzymes are present that produce different hormones with a common precursor. This is the process of release of cholesterol into the adrenal cortex. In my next lecture, I will explain about the enzymatic steps which are involved in the conversion of cholesterol into hormones of zona fasciculata, zona glomerulosa, and zona reticularis. Corticosterone, cortisol, and androstenedione. Thank you so much, viewers, and Allah Hafiz. Do not forget to subscribe my channel for latest and more relevant videos. Thank you.